What's up, guys? What's going on? It's your boy Cuddy, dropping a new video for you guys here today. And before I start with this video, say hi to the Black Panther figure right here with the blue eyes. Alright, just playing with you guys, man. Alright, man, let's go ahead and get started with this video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some more upgrade on my Nissan Altima. And what I've been doing so far, if you guys seen my previous videos, I've been trying to change my the lights, the interior lights, into a blue LED light. And so far I did a lot of them, as you guys can see here. And now what I'm trying to do is try to see if I can do my AC controller. But then I decided to put a pause on it for a while now. But I decided to go ahead and see if I can actually do my gear shift light right now. So here goes my gear shift light. I don't know if you guys can see, but it does have that neutral lights. It's there, but it's because it's daylight, so you can't really see. But it is the same neutral light that you guys see here. It's the same neutral light that is over here too. Hopefully I got an old video where I have I can show you what it looks like before, so I can show you what it looks after. All right, so this is what it looks like now. The first thing we got to do is go ahead and take out this little cover board right here for the gear shift. It's pretty easy. I will show you guys how to do it step by step, just in case you guys have a Nissan Altima, you don't know how to reach to the board right here and how to get to the gear shift light. I will show you how to get that done, and then we together we're gonna see the type of light bulb I'm gonna need. I'm gonna order it, and then we're gonna put it in together. Very simple, guys. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's get this cover board out and see the type of light bulb that we need for this gear shift. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and take off this board right here, and I got my tools here that I'm probably gonna need, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this one right here. Trust me, you can get these tools right here on Amazon. Amazon is the right spot. Amazon, eBay, and other website, I don't know, but I love Amazon. I'm not trying to do any type of promo, but Amazon is the real deal when it comes to buy any tools that you're gonna need for cars or anything like that. All right, so let's go ahead and get it started. Like I said, I got my little tool here, and all you gotta do is find this little hole right here. Oops, let's see here. Right here. Make sure you push it in and lift. The reason why I'm using plastic, just like that, nice up. The reason why I'm using plastic is because I don't want to use metal. Don't use metal, guys, because you do not want to mess this up right here. Totally, you do not want to mess it up. So that's why I recommend people to use plastic, so you won't damage the board at all. All right, so I'll lift this up here, right here, and I'm gonna come on the other side right here. See if I can lift this one up. There you go. Now I got a little bit up. I can use my finger, just like that. I can use my finger here. There you go. There you go. Here. There you go. Alright, guys, so here we go. Go ahead and do this. I was able to lift this thing up just like that. I'm gonna turn off my car, of course. All right, so next thing we want to do is go ahead and push this thing down. I got this little pin right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just push it down like that. See, really easy. So now, guys, let me show you guys something here. I don't know if you guys see. Do you guys see this right here? Hold up. Right here is a little I don't know what that is, but that's a little holder. All right, it's like a little string holder. Okay, make sure you take that off just like that. And when you take this off, do not lose this, guys. Do not lose this. Very important. Okay, because if you don't have it, you won't be able to secure it. It's like a little lock. Okay, so I'm gonna put this right here so I know exactly where it is. And the next thing now, pretty easy. Look, everything comes off just like that. And I'm gonna put this on the side right here, and I can go ahead and take this one off also. Really easy. And now I can be able to take this board out. just like that. And now you're gonna go ahead and disconnect this right here. You're gonna go ahead and disconnect it. Hold up, hold the camera away, right here. That's it. Now we can be able to take this whole thing out, just like that. So, all right guys, so now that this is done, we got to go ahead and change the light bulb. Okay, so the light bulb is not over here, so now we're going to go ahead and turn this around. It's very dirty, I know. And here, right here, is the light bulb right here, right. So now I'm gonna go ahead and twist and open. I hope so. Oh man, it looks stuck. There you go. Okay. All right. So let's pull this out and see what it looks like. Okay. So this is the light bulb that I need to use. All right. So it looks like I can actually take this off. Okay. So let me see how that's gonna work. Can I pull this out? All right, guys. So I was able to take it out. Here you go. This is the light bulb that I need. So I'm just gonna go ahead and see if I can buy a light bulb similar to this, and then we're gonna come back to put this together. So for now, this is what you need. So it's pretty easy. The reason why I say is because it's a light bulb that you can actually pull out from here, and you can just replace it with a new one. So that's really good. So right here will make my job a lot easier. I can't wait to order it online. So let's stay tuned, and I'll see you guys probably in 2 days. I'm gonna try to see if I can order it on Amazon Prime, see if it will get there the next day. All right, usually those type of light bulb comes in the next day. So you guys stay tuned. All right, guys, I am back in my car, and it's getting dark outside, as you guys can see. And guys, so I was searching inside my trunk, and I was able to find a light bulb that I think is actually going to work for my gear shift light here. And the one I got here, I hope you guys like my white glove, man. It's cold as hell outside, guys, so it's still cold in my car. But here is the light bulb that I purchased a while back, and this is blue. Actually, it is blue, and it's the Wow LED just here. All right, and I was able to get this on Amazon, and the price was about $9, and it's a lot. It's inside, you guys can see, is a lot of it inside. So this was really in the trunk, and it was hiding, and when I was cleaning it up, I saw it, and I was like, hey, there's no reason for me to buy it since I already have it here. Hopefully it's gonna work. So let's go ahead and give it a try here and see if that's gonna work. And if it does work, I don't have to go online and buy it. And the one that you're actually gonna, if it does work, you're gonna need a T5 or a 75, no, T5 or a 74 light bulb. So that's what it is, a T5 74 light bulb. So here you go, right here. And I was able to take one out here. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in and see if it's gonna work. I'm gonna see if I can use my white glove to do it. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and put it together here. I'm gonna put the camera down for a second. All right, so I was able to plug it in. I don't know if you guys can see. Here you go. I was able to plug it in. So now we're gonna go ahead and connect. Make sure we connect it to see if it's gonna actually light up. So let's hope it turns blue. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. All right, I put it in, but it's not lighting up. All right, well, maybe I did put the light bulb the wrong way. Again, you gotta make sure that you put it the right way. Maybe I put the negative with the positive and the positive with the negative. So I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna retry it again. All right, guys, so here it is again. So I was able to just pull the light bulb out and rotate it and put it back the other way. So let's go ahead and give it a try again. Whoo! Wow. Oh man, this looks really nice. Let's see if I can zoom in. It looks really good. This is a legit light bulb, guys, for LED. It looks really bright. So let's go ahead and put it back in place. It goes right here. Okay. Let's put it back in place here. There you go. Turn it. All right, all locked. Let's turn it around. And wow, look at the result, guys. Looks pretty dope. Blue. I'm gonna put everything back in place and I'll show you guys the final touch. So I'm gonna stop it here for a second. Let's take a good look at this. All right, so I was able to push everything back. Looks good. This is one of the pieces here for the handle. Let's go ahead and put the handle back. And then don't forget the lock. Put that lock back in there. It's dark so you can't really see. There you go, guys. This is the final result here. Take a look at my gear shift light. Looks pretty good. I got the blue now. It used to be this neutral color right here, and now it looks like this, nice and blue. So again, I'm changing my whole entire interior light blue, and so far everything is going my way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I will be dropping some more dope videos just like this. Give some thumbs up, comment, tell me what you like about it. Tell me if you will do the same thing to your car. And again, it's not only you, it's not only for the guys, it's for the women also. You can do the same thing to your car. You can turn it to a purple light, pink light, yellow light, don't matter, guys. But you can turn your interior light the way you want it. And if you have to solder, I'll show you how to solder it. If you have to do it without soldering, there you go again. I'm showing you guys how to do it. So hopefully some of you guys have a car that you don't need soldering. And for those who need soldering, you can go ahead and watch my video where I will show you guys how to do the soldering, so it'll be easy for you guys to do it by yourself, and you don't really have to pay anybody else to do it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video again. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.